Hi, Pete Miller here. Yesterday, Princess Minny and I, we decided to do our water blessing here at home, but today we thought we'd go to our local temple and see how the rest of the Thailand people, Kun Thai, celebrated Songkran with the water blessing. It was a beautiful experience, as you're about to see.
Our local temple is called Wat Huai Kaeo, and the first merit-making task was to offer special food cooked by Princess Minny for the head monk Pra Tong, and in turn receive a blessing. The white holy thread seen here is a big part of Buddhist practices. Directly outside, on the wall of the temple, is a ritual that you will only ever witness in northern Thailand. The villagers collect tree trunks called Crutches. They remove the bark, paint them, and leave bags of food hanging on the branches to feed their ancestors, as they believe their relatives are still a significant influence in their life now and still require support, even though they may have passed on. Outside the temple is a special sand pagoda covered in flags that you will only ever see erected at a Songkran festival. And of course, it's linked to the temple by the magical white holy thread. At the temple entrance, the prized Buddha statue has the thread attached to the ceiling, with the meaning that we are all linked together in this universe as one. Here you can see the villagers and their offerings, including the all-important holy water, made with the sweet smell of flowers and the flavour of tamarind. Nothing like the dirty water you get sprayed with from the roadside. Inside the temple, this MC is talking about costs, and that he has received 7,000 baht so far, which is equivalent to about $200. The sand pagoda outside cost 1,400 baht or $40, and there is a donation required to the monks of about 2,000 baht or $60. The women sit together and the men separately in another group. Some are wearing the ultra-colourful and bright Songkran shirts, while others wear traditional Thai fabrics, but all are dressed for this occasion. There is a definite lack of younger folk in attendance here, and I'm the only foreigner as per usual. It's lucky I can speak the Thai language, as English is non-existent. The chanting begins, and as you may observe from the old grandfather clock at the front, it goes on for about 2 hours, finishing with the spraying of the holy water over everyone, with a little extra water for the cameraman, me. Then comes the highlight of the whole event and what everyone has been looking forward to. After the monk has poured the scented water over the Buddha statue, everyone joins in. There is a definite mood swing from the seriousness of the monk chanting to the light-heartedness of the water blessing. Then they pour the same water over each other.
สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับเป็นประเพณีทางเหนือของเราแต่คืนเลิกก็รอห่ำรวยเด้อเลิกกับฝันครับโอ้ดีเลยเย็นดีโชคดีโชคดีขอบคุณค่ะอายุมั่นขวัญยืนอายุยืน
This lady is telling me to wash away my problems and wishing me a long and prosperous life ahead. Then the revered Buddha statue is taken back to the safety of the monks' quarters and locked away with the other precious artifacts and relics that only appear at significant festivals like Songkran. The Wat Thai YouTube channel celebrates everything about Thailand, particularly the language, festivals and relationships between Western men and Thai ladies. Please subscribe, make a comment and give us a thumbs up if you have learned something from this video today and would like to learn more. Cheers.
กับคุณพี่ครับ